Hello, my friends. Are you ready? I'm about to show you a product that not only does it make me want to jump for joy, it is one of those where I go, Kenny, this one. It's one of those. What do I mean? Because it's just one of those. And I am so incredibly excited about it. You know, I'm excited about all the products because I like to use them. I'm a card maker. I actually use these products. That's why I designed them. But this is one of those where I go, yeah. Are you ready? It is, dun, 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 a Snowglobe Fold-It. What's a Fold-It? It's a shaped card, dun, 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 but with extras, meaning you will be able to make shaker cards so easy you will almost cry because it'll be so easy. Look at this. First of all, you're getting the die shape itself and a whole bunch of fun, more intricate snowflakes. But wait, there's more. You're also getting a die that's going to have fun little confetti pieces in it if you want to. But wait, there's more. You're also getting more confetti pieces and this fun piece to put on the frame. This is going to be for your frame and your foam. And look at the end result. Whoa, isn't it amazing? And don't forget, you guys, don't forget, it's a card. It's a card. Okay, now that is exciting. I can't wait to show you all the other samples. It's amazing. It's awesome. But wouldn't it be nice if we had some more crystals? Oh, look. We have a new set of crystals. This is the last set that we're releasing, so get it quick. All of our embellishments are limited now. We can't get them from this manufacturer, so we're having to go to a different manufacturer. So all the ones we have now on the website are very, very limited. This included. Once this one's gone, we will not be replacing it. So get it quick, because you know what? Hello, those blues and those yellows will go perfect in your new Snowglobe Fold-It. Okay. I'll show you lots of samples, don't worry. But also, really quick, a heads up on these. We are releasing today also new packs, updated colors of the foil, the mirror colors. So let me show you this one really quick. I have another Fold-It to share with you, so stay tuned. But these are updated versions, and you are getting in this one, this is foil pack 1. You're getting gold, you're getting red, you're getting green, you're getting that gorgeous silver in there. Boom, lots of gorgeousness in there, right? Now, of each color, you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of each color. Perfect, again, for snowflakes. Snowflakes, right? Okay, that's the one. Let me show you the other one really quick so you can see it. Dun, 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 dun. I have lots of samples, don't worry. Purple. We have a gorgeous pink, bright, bright pink. And I hope they show up well on camera because it's really hard on camera. Then we have a black. And then we have a different color purple, almost a blue. I would almost call that a blue or a dark, dark purple. It depends on, you know, the lighting and things like that. Actually, more blue. See, when I turn it this way, it's more blue. So gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Perfect for snowflakes, just saying. Okay, oh, I can't wait to show you all the samples. But wait, there's more, because we're also releasing what goes well with snow coffee, right? So the cutest little coffee pot. Also with this coffee pot, you are getting but first coffee, the dies, and just coffee. So look at how adorable that is, lots of samples. One more thing to show, because I had to get this one on the release schedule, because all of our cute little woodland animals, and we have the fun tree background. I also wanted an option for our Create a Scene. What do I mean by that? Well, remember, our Create a Scene cards are these fun cards like this that fold like this, so cute, but now you have a cute little different setting for the background. So we have like a summer one, we have a birthday one, but now you have this fun one with that gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous grass. So lots of options there. So I have a couple more of those, but let's jump in right now to look at our snow globes. So here's a cute Christmas one. Hugs, absolutely love that. Those cute little snowflakes are in there. Here's a cute one using our Snowglobe, fold it, the typewriter to stamp dies, Snowglobe to stamp and dies, stencil paste on the inside. Look at how gorgeous. Lots and lots of layers on this. Absolutely love that. That's so cute. Here's one that's not a shaker card. So if you don't want to do a shaker card, that is okay. You don't have to. You can do a regular one. First Christmas. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely love it. Joy to the world. So beautiful. Now, snow globes are not just for winter or Christmas, right? Snow globes can be any time of the year. I'm eager to do one with put sand in it and make it some seashells on the inside, some of our dies seashells, because oh, how fun would that be? But look at how gorgeous this one is. Oh my goodness, be happy. And look, it has some fun black and yellow and white sequins in there. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely love that. Open it up. Happy birthday. Here's a gorgeous one. Move those snowflakes around. Look at how gorgeous that is. So fun. I love it. Here's a fun one. Look at that with the little car. I love it. I mean, sorry, the little truck. The truck to stamp. So cute. I love it. 2022. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Okay, you ready for some coffee? I know we all love our coffee. You guys love your coffee even more than I do, right? So here we go. But first, coffee. Look at that. Here's another one. Oh, with our fun, okay, who knows where that sunflower came from? The gnome fold it set. Love it, love it. Oh, lots of but first coffees. Most of the design team wanted to do but first coffee. Oh, or here's one with the little mug. Isn't that adorable? You could add the little mug. That is the hot chocolate to stamp cup. Look at this one, perfect for fall. Yes, you can make it a shaker. Perfect for fall. I love showing the different samples all in one shot because then you can really see. Or here's a cute one on a 5x7 card with our coffee cup and a donut. How cute is that? Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love them. Okay, moving on because I can't spend all day. I know, I wish I could because they're so fun. Oh, Michelle made a cute little stuffy. We all love Michelle's little stuffies, especially my kids. But look at how cute that little stuffy is. Okay, let's look at some more of the Create a Scene Woodland because they're so gorgeous. Here's one using it on a regular card. That fun little mushroom. Love it. Here's our cute little moose. Now, I also pictured with the mushroom, I also pictured our little gnomes on here, which would be really cute as well, right? Here's a cute one, all decorated. Now, the nice thing about these is, look you guys, they fold flat for mailing in an A2 size envelope and then they pop open. Yes, they stand perfectly. So here's a cute one. Here's one with a gnome, yay. And look, even the back is decorated. Hey, gnomey, don't you love that? I love it. Here's another one with our gnomette. Love it, so cute. I love the grass too, by the way. Don't forget, this grass you're gonna use in more places than normal, right? You're not gonna use it just on this Create a Scene. It might be one of those dies that you leave out more often than not because you always could use some grass, right? And here's a cute one. Look at this one. Absolutely love it. So fun. Now, club one, make sure I don't have any more. Club members, you get the club discount on these. Yes, isn't that awesome? 15 to 20% off every single item, every single day, no exclusions, not one exclusion, every single item, die cut machines, everything, 15 to 20% off every single day, as many orders as you want. Somebody's asked me in the past, oh, is that just for my first order? No. That's every single order you are a club member, you are getting 15 to 20% off the entire website. Now, what if something's on flash sale or special price? Guess what? You're getting a double discount. You're getting the lower price and then your club discount on top of that. Yes, and you're getting club points, you're getting club anniversary gifts, you're also getting, every once in a while, we throw in a freebie. It's amazing, isn't it? It's awesome. You've got to check it out. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and don't forget, we just released our brand new Fold It Club. What's a Fold It? It's a shaped card. It's absolutely amazing. Go check it out. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.